every engineering team has unwritten rules about how they build software, how they make trade-offs and decisions. These patterns often take years to develop, and when someone leaves, that knowledge leaves with them. Just recently, I found a tool that is uniquely helpful in solving this problem. I can create custom reviewers that automatically learn about my team's conventions and decisions. So it learns from pull request history, from every comment, every requested change, and every approved pattern. It's called Baz, and I tried it in GitHub on one of my projects that summarizes the top most watched videos on YouTube. I opened a pull request and immediately saw a couple of useful comments from Baz Reviewer. Then I went to my IDE to make changes and realized that for my next iteration, I don't have to wait for a pull request because I can use Baz MCP to review my code. So instead of making the edits myself, it took me 10 seconds to install the Baz MCP. In my cursor chat, I asked it to review my code based on my team's best practices. It called Baz Organization Review Guidelines tool and gave me a good summary with strengths and suggestions. Then I used my GitHub MCP to get the details from my pull request review and asked it to resolve the comments. What struck me was that it allows you to iterate and test custom reviewers in the playground. Review criteria can be explicit, testable, and reproducible, so you can validate review logic before it touches production code. And just recently, the team behind Baz shared this free collection of ready-to-use code review prompts called AwesomeReviewers. If we look at this deeper, code review isn't just about catching syntax errors. It's about maintaining architectural decisions, and that requires nuanced knowledge and judgment. And what I like about this tool is that it isn't replacing human judgment. It's scaling the carefully curated judgment that we already have.